Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to group picture and text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select a image and click insert. Then resize the image. Then go to insert menu again, select the text box and draw a text box and write anything. Now I am paste any text. Press Ctrl V on our keyboard. You can increase the size, go back home menu and increase the size. Now you want to group the picture and text box or text. Press and hold shift on our keyboard and select the multiple object. Go to the shape format menu, select the alignment option, choose align top. Then select the group drop down menu, make it group. Now we can see we group text and image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.